Hello friends, welcome to another effect lecture. Here in this lecture we are going to take a look at free distort, this one. So let's take a look how we can use it. So first of all, let's create a rectangle. Just like this, let's provide a fill color, say this one. Now let's go to effect, distort and transform, free distort. And as the name suggests, you can distort this shape freely. You don't have to ask anyone. Yeah, actually it is, you can drag the corners here and there, see. And the main thing is, here we don't have that preview option, so they could have provided some preview option here so that we can see that what we are achieving finally, right? And here you can see that we cannot play with the edges. We can play with only corners. Okay, so after you are happy punishing this shape, then just click on OK. That's it, and you will get the effect. But now, as you can see that like others also, here also we need to do that expand appearance thing, because when you are selecting this one, see, its bounding box is kind of like that previous rectangle only. So the shape that which we have achieved after providing this effect, we are not getting that, right? So let's go to object and expand appearance. That's it. Okay guys, so this is the free distort stuff, nothing complex. You can play around with anything. Let's write here something, say John. Let's expand it and let's go to effect, distort and transform, free distort. Let's make it like this. Let's click on OK and see. Well, if you are trying to achieve this kind of effect, I recommend that you don't work with this free distort, because we have this cool warp effect. Yes friend, that we will come but later on. So that's it guys, this is what free distort is. You can play around with it and you can try achieving some cool result. So that's it guys, here I'm concluding this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.